Hey everyone, Nut Free Mama here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a New York cheesecake cookies. For this recipe we need 1 1/4 cups of graham crackers, and you just want to finely crush those. I just put mine in a Ziploc bag and really crushed them up, and that equals about 1 sleeve. And then you need 1 cup of flour. You need 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. You need 1 stick, which is 8 tablespoons of butter, softened. You need a 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed. We need 1 egg, and we are going to separate the yolk and the white. Then we need 3 ounces of cream cheese softened. You need 1/4 cup granulated sugar. You need a 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. First, we're going to preheat our oven to 350. Next, line a cookie sheet with parchment paper. Then in a large bowl, we are going to whisk our graham cracker crumbs, 1 cup of flour, and the 1 1/2 teaspoons of baking powder. Okay, that looks good. If you notice that you have any big crumbs in there, you want to just go ahead and break those up. You can use your fingers or whatever you want to use. You just really want those to all be fine crumbs in that. So next, in another bowl, we are going to beat with an electric mixer our butter and our brown sugar. Alright, that looks good. So next we are going to just go ahead and add in our egg white. And just go ahead and beat that until it is well combined. Okay, so now we want to add our flour and graham cracker crust, and just go ahead and combine that all until both mixtures are well combined. Alright, that looks well combined, so go ahead and set that to the side, and now we're going to work on the cream cheese part. Okay, so next we want to take our cream cheese, the egg yolk, the granulated sugar, the lemon juice, and the vanilla extract, and we are just going to beat that with an electric mixer until it is well combined. That looks good. So now you just want to make sure you scrape down the sides to really make it combined, and then go ahead and set that to the side, and we're going to work on the cookie part. Next, you just want to go ahead and take your dough and roll it into balls. I was able to make 19 balls with mine. It just depends on how big or how little. I just took a couple tablespoons, put it in my hand, and rolled it into a ball. Then next, we are going to just take our thumbs and just indent all around to make a little hole in there, kind of like a bowl. That looks pretty good to me. Just be sure that if your sides or your bottom starts to get crumbly or the bottom is too thin, you go ahead and reshape that with your fingers, because this dough is very forgiving. So, I mean, you can do a lot with it if it starts to crack. You just don't want it to be cracked. So next we're going to just go ahead and fill these up with our cheesecake mixture. Okay, next I'm going to go ahead and stick those in the oven at 350 for 12 minutes. You just want to cook them until the filling is barely set. Those look and smell amazing. So now we're just going to let them sit here on the cookie sheet for 5 minutes, and then transfer them to a wire rack and let them cool completely before we try them. Okay, those are all ready to go, so let's have Taste Tester have a little taste. Okay, Taste Tester, have a little taste.
Okay. Yum. Yummy.
Do you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, everyone, don't forget to like and subscribe, and come back and see us again.
Come back and see us again.
Please like and subscribe, because that helps our channel grow. We really appreciate you.
Please like and subscribe.
Bye.